How to enable OneDrive Known Folder Move. First, open the OneDrive. You can open it from the system tray, or you can also open it in the File Explorer. Right over here, you can find the option for cloud storage. Click on it. Click on the option Settings. Click on the option Sync and Backup. Right over here, you can find the option for backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Click on the option Manage Backup. Now you can protect the important folders over here. Toggle on the options right next to the folders that you want to protect. Make sure the limit is not crossed over here. Click on the option Save Changes that you can see on the screen. Now the protection will be started. This means Known Folder Move will be enabled for this particular folders that you selected. Like this, you can enable OneDrive Known Folder Move. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.